What is BISPy? It is a concept that involves a series of programming techniques for the Unisys Business Information Server Platform, also called BIS or Mapper. BISPy allows the integration of two great computing tools, Python, the fastest growing programming language in the world, and BIS, the all-in-one computing platform from Unisys that will allow you to solve your computing needs facing the world of big data. According to Stack Overflow, the most important source of support for programmers, Python is the programming language with the most questions asked into their website, and of course, more answers coming from other programmers. So, that means that Python people has more chances to find a solution already done by others. That is online free support in many cases. Python is very popular thanks to the large number of existing libraries and code that can be applied to many different technologies and business scenarios to capture data, transform and communicate information from structured, semi-structured and unstructured sources that the world of big data has brought. With Python, now is possible to extract information from images, videos, sensors, PDF documents, emails, web pages, server APIs and from so-called NoSQL databases. BIS has shown that it is a very stable, reliable, efficient and scalable platform. The same code can run from a PC to powerful mainframe computers. From its conception was designed to be a complete informatic platform oriented to the end user. BIS has been different from other computing tools that were only concerned with solving parts of their customers' needs. The design of BIS is made possible to go beyond other solutions that dies throughout the years. From displaying information on green-to-green screens to the use of more recent internet browsers. All this keeping the same main core platform. But, until now, it lacked of integration with today's computer tools such as communication of information with other computers using data standards such as XML and JSON by using APIs resources. The extraction and management of information from unstructured or semi-structured media such as web pages, PDF files, emails, images, videos or Internet of Things sensors. Interaction with more recent databases such as not only SQL databases. Have a better visual graphics communication tools like charts or those coming from Python's libraries such as Bokeh or Folium to show information using maps. So the conjunction of BIS and Python, two great tools, will allow you to maintain and increase your investment in BIS at a low cost. The demo site has been built using RADS Lite. RADS Lite is a popular BIS application to create fast programs and organize complete system in BIS created by John Thaluber. By using RADS for this demo, we'll give you just an idea of how to organize your web-based BIS applications if you don't know this tool. In the first Basic Scripts module you can practice the classic Hello World. Or copy and paste basic Python scripts into a BIS capture screen which will interpret the code and return the results in Python. In the web scraping module you will obtain information from semi-structured media such as web pages. In this case, information from websites such as the New York Times, the Formula One car website and the Mexican Soccer League. In the module, Get API Info, you can see the possibilities of extracting information using APIs that use the JSON data format. There are many computers that share data using JSON APIs, and in this case we use two examples, one that publishes images of dogs coming from its database and another that publishes the exchange rate of the Bitcoin currency. The Database module shows the possibilities of using maps and graphs data visualization using charts. Many visualization tools require the use of JSON format as input, and in the case of charts this was used in Python. It's good handling JSON file formats. In the same way, the potential of using interactive what-if scenarios using these graphs is shown. In the Email Autom module you can get an idea of the possibilities of using the Python libraries to build software utilities to be used later in your systems. In this case, we created a simple email automation utility. There, by including your email on the capture screen, you will receive an email. So you could implement a more complete one using BISPy to send emails to the right people at the right time using your own business rules. The IoT module is the most complete of all as it combines several of the technologies used on the demo site. Based on one system that uses GPS sensors and real-time video for the public transport system in Mexico, BISPy was programmed to use some APIs contained in the system and be able to view the video cameras. You also will be able to take the role of a person who monitors the vehicles and take a picture of what is happening inside and get their location using Python's Folium for maps. This information from unstructured media can be taken to BIS platform using all these techniques. One of the advantages of BISPy is that a large investment is not required. This is what you need to start. Unisys BIS 10 or higher. Cool ICE installation and desirable RADS in any of its versions. The demo site was developed using RADS Lite. BISPy can be used only with BIS without its cool ICE component, but it has obvious limitations. Python version 3.7 or higher and install Python libraries to be used. Notice that Python is free. Some Python coding knowledge and from libraries to be used. Hire consulting services to set up and show how all this can work together. So, now with BISPy you can discover all these new and unknown possibilities of what Unisys Business Information Server can do for you in the new informatic big data world.